Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through how to transfer cryptocurrency from TonKeeper to Bybit. Before you can do that, you have to copy the wallet address from Bybit so that you can paste on your TonKeeper platform. So for us to get your deposit address, you have to go to your Bybit, then you have to locate asset. From here, then locate deposit. Then come right here to the bottom part of the screen, deposit crypto. Then you press, then you have to search the name of the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. So right here I'm trying to access toncoin. You can see up here toncoin. Then you pick a chain type, which is ton, because you are using ton network. Then you copy the address, then you go back to your TonKeeper, then you click on send, then you paste your address. Then after that, you must include your comments. The comment they have to will varies, depends on what you want to have to comment. But for me, I can just input with transaction made by me, Then you click on transfer.